So debt snowballing is basically, for an example, let's say you have five debts, credit card, car, whatever it may be, excluding your mortgage. You have five different, I'll say credit cards because it's easier. Each one has a minimum payment of $50 a month. So that's $250 a month, and you have an extra $100 you want to put towards those. So when we do it, we use a lot of math to figure out the most efficient way to pay it off. And snowballing assumes you keep that $3 payment every single month until all of the cards are paid off. So basically, you start with card number one, and that extra $100 goes to it. So $150 is going towards credit card number one. Once you pay that off, you no longer have that $50 minimum on that card, so you don't need to make that payment still. The debt snowball method is, yes, you do. You still keep that same $50 payment, but now instead of $150 towards debt number two, you're adding that $50 minimum. So now you're paying $200 on debt number two. Once that gets paid off, now you're at $250 on three, $300 on four, and then ultimately $350 a month on credit card number five until that's fully paid off. And basically you're snowballing those payments to keep getting them bigger on the last debt.